Hello guys, this is Jason Act. I can safely say that my desktop has arrived. Okay, so here are the main pieces. These ones will need to be put together with these ones. I have the what do you call the manual right here that I'm gonna follow. I don't think it's rocket science, but let's see if we can put it along together. It should be pretty easy. Okay, I'll see you. I'll see you in a bit when this one is entirely something. I must say that everything is nicely organized. Everything is really nicely organized, so it's not of a mess to deal with. Seeing as this is my first time that I'm actually, mounting up something. Okay, so really quick update. I have tightened the screws and it's very solid. It's a solid material. You see, I can do kung fu stuff with it. And yeah, see you in about 2 seconds. Okay, so at the moment we are putting the feet up. We're putting them well together. Rotate and go. And here is my cat sleeping. Hello. So right now we have put some things that unite them together. I'm gonna speak like super simplified English right here. Right now I'm trying to connect these things. I'm trying to connect them all together, and I need to find the right screws for that. The right screws that are PX8, and I guess they are these ones, the smallest one. Okay, so what we have here, we have P, this one. So yeah, there is the smallest one, yeah, because we have 12 of them, and here says that you have 12, so I guess there is those. So we need something like eight of those. Okay, so now we will need to put at the frame. I forgot to put these things right here, the one that go like on this side. So let's find them. I'm gonna guess that is this one. I mean, it makes sense, but I'm not sure if it's this one. Do we have anything else here? No, I guess this is the one. I don't have yeah, this is not it. Yeah, this should be the one. So it goes from up here, it goes down here, so something like yeah, something like this. Okay, now let's get into a much better position, into a comfortable one. You're supposed to go like this. Oh, it has a bit of space, but looks sturdy. Let's try this one. Okay, so that's on top of that. I will need to put the screws in first, and the screws are gonna be the long ones. Gonna be these ones for sure. And I will need to have the how do you say I will need to feel the hole, like feel it, not feel it. I'm gonna put some subtitles also. Okay, now we will screw them all in. So we have this one that holds something, I guess, and we will need to put this thing, something like this. Should go something like this, you know, on both sides. Maybe go something like this. Obviously with the screws put in. Yeah, this one is for the headphones, and this one will be for the beverage. Oh, nice. But maybe it's like this. No, like this. Yeah, like this. For sure, like this. Or I don't know. Fuck you know. Let's go with this one for now. Really? Is this supposed to move? Is it made to be moved? I guess. I don't fucking know. I mean, it's there. It's not gonna fall off, but it's flexible. That's a good thing. Because these ones don't fit. These screws don't fit into these spots. We are gonna give up on the X1D thing, on the D thing. I wasn't gonna use it anyway, so this is gonna be my desktop, my happy place. I'm gonna rotate it and I'll be back in 2 seconds. And this is the final product. I was hoping it to be a bit more stable, because you can hear the noise when you... It's like an empty noise. Instead here is different. I don't know if you can hear. Maybe once I put some weight on it, it's gonna be a bit different. You know what? I'm gonna be right back when I put my whole setup here. So I was not right back when I put everything on this right now as I am editing the video, so I will show you right in this moment how everything looks. So this is at the moment how my setup looks. Everything is really good looking. It's stable. I put everything here, monitor, the keyboard. I'm using a laptop as a unit station, you know, I am practical with this. And yeah, I must say that it's very good. Yeah, I'm really proud that I bought this. I don't regret it one bit. I have used these when I could, you know, to pass the wires through and connect everything here. Obviously I try to do something like I have one something with the electric power, I don't have the name right now, to connect it to the power here, and I have one more that is right there that I used it for the monitor. Those are my proteins because you need to stay in shape, boys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have been Jason Act, and I hope you have a great rest of the evening. See ya.